Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today the video is about my Silverado 2004. I was trying to put my winter tires. Yes, we have winter here. I'm in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. We have winter like we're getting minus 30-35 degrees Celsius. So we need winter tire and lots of snow. And the first wheel I tried to remove the wheel lock nut, and that stupid nut split it in half. I don't know why it was stuck. I always use my my torque wrench. Each and every time was set at 140 pounds. So to the spec, it's split in half. So I tried to weld it. No, it didn't work well. It is too thin, so it just melted down. So I had to buy this impact bolt and nut remover set. Was very lucky. Found it at the Canadian Tire, and it was on sale. The Wednesday I was searching for it on the net. It was on sale. Instead of 70 bucks, it was $19.99, so 20 bucks. So here it is. You have five size. 1 inch, 15/16, 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8. So these are there's a twisted pattern in these, and the twisted pattern is going on the counterclockwise. So you need to put this over the nut or the bolt with a hammer or a small sledgehammer, whatever you have, and it's gonna twist over the nut or bolt. So since it's a twisted pattern, it's always gonna get more grip as soon as you're trying to unscrew it counterclockwise. So I hope it will do the trick, and we'll see that tomorrow. Stay tuned. Okay, so here it is. That stupid lock nut that split it in half. I hope you can see this. Split it on the other side too. I tried to weld it, but it just melted right away because it's too thin. So we're gonna try the nut and bolt remover. Let's do this. Okay, so need to put the this here. As you can see, it's a twisted pattern. Okay, so since my hair impact is not strong enough, We'll try with the breaker bar. Okay, so the breaker bar is not even strong enough. As you can see, I just broke that stupid junk at $10. So let's try the Ratchet Pro Series. Oh, yeah, it's going. Yes, sir. It was torqued to spec, 150 pounds, but don't know the reason why. Was not able to remove that stupid lock nut. So I sprayed my own mixture of penetrating oil. I did a 50-50 transmission oil. This one is Dextron. I don't remember anyway. The GM ATF that I need on this truck, Silverado 2004. So a mixture of synthetic transmission oil and Nafta. So 50-50, and it did a good job, I think. So there you go. And now, after, I'm just gonna have to remove this. Stay tuned. Okay, look how deep my mixture of penetrating oil, ATF and Nafta went through. Shoot it twice, and it went through almost all the threads and the bolts are wet. I don't know if you can see this, but it went through all of the threads. This is marvelous. Okay, now I need to remove that stupid lock nut. I have previously, when I did change a hub bearing, removed one stud. So if I want to push it, that lock nut, I have nothing here. So I'm going to put that lug nut here inside. So I will have something to hit on it. Okay, instead of a bolt, I'm gonna use a 3/8 extension. It's perfect for that hole. I'm gonna start with my cheap hair hammer. Gonna start with this, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna use the sledgehammer. was not that hard, and as you can see, yeah, that stupid lock nut split it in half and perfectly straight. Look at this. And the other part is somewhere on the floor right here. So thank you very much. Nut and bolt remover. And it's still intact, pretty good shape. So if you like what you saw, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and maybe you can share. And thanks for watching.